Sex Channel. Today we are opening Bouncy Ball Day, and it tells you on the back it needs water. And oh, I already opened it at the Walmart. Actually, it was at Smith's. So different colors. I want to only do one.
Do you want to mix the colors though?
No.
You can't mix your colors.
Can you want to give me scissors?
Yeah, hold on for a second.
We got the water.
Which color you want to do?
Just one.
Are you sure just one color? You don't want to do two colors?
I want to do one.
One color?
Because if you do one, it will look. I mean, if you do like all of them, I don't like it because it was like rainbow.
Okay, so let's not do this one because of the green screen. How about we do one of these ones?
What the?
Yo, look. Let's pick one of these. Okay.
Wait, let's do any, miny, mo. Any, meeny, miny, mo. Touches, carries, carries. If you holler, let it go. Any, meeny, miny, mo. Orange.
Yeah. So basically what you do is put this together in a cat.
And dump this in it. And you have to put it in water. And then it says on the back, wait.
10 minutes or so.
You put it in 3 minutes.
10 minutes.
No, it says 3 minutes. Yeah, look. 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Look. So you need.
You see 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, 10 minutes. I was wrong.
So this thing, how do we put it though?
Wait, give me this. Oh, I think you need like someone to hold it so you can like dump it in.
You see this? You can still see the sides.
Oh yeah.
This is kind of weird.
We need something. I don't know what we need.
See, let's put them
Oh,
together
look,
until they're
it says you need to put that edge of the part twisted that way, upside down.
I think I know now. Something like that.
I think this is tricking us or not, like I always say in our video.
This is the hardest part right now.
Yep.
Of the whole thing. Oh, maybe. Oh, I see now. Wait, no, that can go inside. What?
Wait,
Yeah.
give me it.
Hold
Wait, maybe you have to put that side on this side. Wait. Oh, look, you need to put like 2 colors in.
on. There.
I got it.
But you can still see that. Oh, what the heck?
Just leave it.
Oh, there we go. There
It
we
won't
go.
go off or something. Okay, my dad says we have to do this, so all of the dust has to go down here. Like right here, guys.
And I think it's just to use 2 colors. Let's use two colors, yeah?
Yeah, wait.
Pick on
Any,
one or more
meeny,
color.
miny, mo. That's it, carries, carries, a few colors, let it go. Any, meeny, miny, mo. Purple.
Okay. So you have
Orange
to
and
press.
purple.
Yeah. You have to press it really hard so there will be no holes right here. Got
Yep.
it. Orange and purple, okay. Let's cut one of these. I'll
So
try
we
to
got
pour
3
it in.
more left.
Let's see if one of these fills up ball. Okay?
Yeah. So we won't have
Okay.
to dump like all of it.
There you go. Here. Put it in there.
Okay.
Careful. So once we put in the water right here, we have to wait like 10 minutes for it to harden. Once it gets hard, we take the ball
Let it
out.
fill up all the way.
Then we
Told you.
then you put in wax paper.
Wax paper?
Yeah.
Do we have even wax paper?
Yeah, we got wax paper.
Oh.
So orange, you want to do orange?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Okay, put it in there.
Over.
Whoa.
This is like the green like slime thing
Yeah.
that you can eat. It exploded all over.
The jello sign. Here, let me help you. Let me help you. Oh, you got it. I'll hold this so it doesn't move. Whoa. Almost there. Almost. Okay, we got some in the back. We got some more in the back. Is there more? No?
No.
That's it? Okay.
Okay, just leave it. Let's just make it.
Okay, let's shake a little bit so it can mix.
Let's mix it over.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna put
That's
it here in
magic.
water. Let's see what happens.
Oh my gosh. Just,
Oh shoot.
it's okay. Every single toy does that.
No, we're okay. We're okay. I think I put too much water here. Let me dump that.
Oh my gosh. You poopy fish.
Okay, yeah, I put too much water. It shouldn't be
You
so
put
much.
too much water in it.
Okay, that should be fine. Yes. So
Why does the side look like it got bent?
see, look. Yeah, it has to be like that. It can't be all covered. Okay, so we'll come back in 10 minutes and we'll show you the result.
Yeah. We're back and we got the wax paper, and I think this is done. So if you don't have wax paper and you buy this, I don't know what will happen. But you dropped it in there?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so it's set 10 minutes in the water, submerged.
It's already 10 minutes.
Yeah, past 10 minutes. So what we're gonna do is put it on the wax paper, right, Luis?
Yeah.
And then we have to wait 3 more minutes.
3 more minutes, like it says.
Okay, there we go. Okay, we'll pause on this and we'll come back and check it out on the results.
Okay.
Hopefully it turns out good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, guys.
Back. It went over 3 minutes, I think.
And
And guys, look, it's built on the paper.
okay, so open it up. Let's see if we made a ball, a bounce ball.
I don't know how to open it. Can you just open it?
Yeah, I'll
so
try.
it won't explode like the last time we made a green video. I don't know what I used to call
The
it.
jello slime.
Oh yeah, the jello slime.
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Oh shoot!
What the heck?
What the?
What?
Ew!
Okay, so we made half of a bouncy ball.
Ew, it's wet on the purple side.
Yeah, it's still wet.
Okay,
That's how it turned out.
let me
So
feel it.
we have to put more of the powder in there. That's what we
Yeah,
did
because
in
of
there.
this, dude.
What? It's just
You didn't listen to the thing.
Okay, we'll try again. And
Tomatoes.
yes, should we hold on? Can we bounce it? So after 3 minutes, remove that side.
So we bounce it right
No,
now?
no, just to let it sit overnight and to see it.
Ew, my hands are sticky now.
So yeah, we have to let this sit overnight and